So, you want to marry, you are a very lusty fellow, cannot tolerate your sexual urge. So, you should not enjoy any woman catch and enjoy. No, not like a dog. Any dog can catch up any beach on the street and enjoy. It's not like that. You are not a dog, you are a human being, Baba. But you suffer it there. Then next life will be a dog or hog. Or a worm in the stone. Yeah. Or monkey. And male monkey has more than 1 dozen female monkeys. And always they enjoy. Every 5 minutes enjoy. You are like a monkey. Pigeons. Monkeys, pigeons, very lost. Yeah. Every moment. Every 5 minutes, 1 minute, enjoy sex. Are you like that? No, son. You want like that? Monkey or hog or dog or pigeon? Next life will be that. Iman Bhatt, I say, mean for this. Develop complete Krishna consciousness like Krishna. You prefer to be degraded? Nonsense, idiot. So, therefore faith said you should marry. According to Vedic law. So mantras are recited, priest will come recite mantra. Yes, I accept him, my wife. I take up this responsibility, maintain her throughout the life. Yes. Dependent, give her nice saris, ornaments, food, yes, health care, yeah, many demands. Your wife has many demands, give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this. And the husband, you have to satisfy her demands, Baba. Yeah, Lord Ramchandra showed that thing, ideal husband. Sita Devi said, my dear husband, please catch this golden deer for me. A demon came, demon Maricha came, who wandered there in the form of a golden deer. Maya Mudha, illusory deer. Didn't Lord Ram know this thing? It's an illusory deer, it's not real deer. Was it unknown to Lord Ram? But why he ran behind it? Because ideal husband. Wife has such demand. Yeah. Sita Devi said, my dear husband, I want this golden deer, very nice deer, I want. Lord Ramchandra, why do you want it? No, I'll keep it, tame it, when we go back to Adodhya, I'll take it and I give it as a presentation to Bharat. Sita Devi said like that. An ideal husband, Lord Ram ran behind it. Lord Ram knew it's a demon, illusory deer. Immediately he would have told that, my dear Sita Devi is not real deer, it's an illusory deer. It's a demon. That spot you would have killed there. But why he ran? To teach us. Understand? That is Lord Ram's mission. Marjyada Purushottama. He said, I have come to establish Veda Marjyada. This is my mission in the human society. You Baba? Yeah. Nobody should transgress Vedic principles, Vedic etiquette. And that is my mission to establish it. So this is the ideal husband to fulfill the demand of his wife. Yes. So he ran behind it. As a result, Sita was kidnapped. Came back, Sita was kidnapped. Then cried for Sita, Sita. Why cry? It's Lord. Why Lord will cry, Baba? And this is for us to teach us To accept wife means to take up this responsibility, maintain her throughout the life. She is dependent on you to satisfy all her demands. Yes. Otherwise, not easy to become a husband. To accept wife, easy thing. Yes, you should have that capability. Give me this sari. Yes, very nice sari. Give me this sari. Give me this ornament. Oh, my dear husband, give me a golden case. I want to remain in a golden case, not in a brick house. No. Make me a golden carriage. Cage. I'll be there. Do it. Can you? If you cannot, don't marry. Don't accept a wife, Baba. No. Don't accept a wife. That is duty of an idea of husband. Therefore, ran behind an illusory being. You see? Then he has to cry. The wife will demanding the fulfillment of her demand. Then husband has to cry. Now you are crying, isn't it? Crying at night, cannot sleep. You see? Then take lessons from it, Baba. How nice it is to accept a wife. She'll make you cry, definitely make you cry, yes. That's what Ram did it. It's for us, you have to cry. Then it's also a duty to rescue the wife. My wife is kidnapped, that's a duty to rescue it. Then she had to go to Lanka and fight against the great demon Ravana. Fires back with fighting. Then rescue. That's the duty. Give her protection, give her all nice maintenance, fulfill her demands. Then children will be produced. Take care of the children, give them maintenance, give them all medical care, and give them nice education, make them qualified. All this responsibility you have. You follow? Yes. Before accepting a wife, one should think of all these responsibilities now will come to me. Are you prepared to shoulder all this responsibility, burden of this responsibility, carry all the responsibility? No, I am not capable. So no more marriage. I won't marry. I won't accept. Brahmacharya life is very nice life. No such cares and anxieties. Always you can think of Krishna, do bhajan, such a happy life. Now your bhajan gone, your everything gone, now you are crying for your wife, crying. See, puts in such situation, you have to cry for her. Crying whole night, cannot sleep. No thought of Krishna comes now. This thought of Krishna comes. Finished. Your spiritual life is completely finished. Completely finished. Yes. So this is there. To enjoy sex means it is not unrestricted. It's restricted sense enjoyment. You should not catch up any lady, woman and enjoy her. No, that you cannot do. You have to marry. According to Vedic principles, rights, Vedic law. Then you have to take up the responsibility, Baba. If you cannot shoulder responsibility, don't marry. Remain bachelor. Remain brahmachari. Very good life. A lot. So in order to curb this tendency, this process is there. Vivahe, Visambha. Vibhala. And Veda gives this process to curb your tendency. Curb. Yes. Oh, so much thing. Baba. Allah, no more. It's better to remain bachelor than a brahmachari. Very good health. Very nice person consciousness, very easily developed person consciousness, very rapid advancement will be there. No care, no demands. Do you understand? No such thoughts will come. And family life means every day you find there's quarreling, husband and wife, quarreling, isn't it? Yeah. You are quarreling all night, telephoning me from Australia, Maharaj, we are quarreling, fighting, I can't sleep at night. What do you mean? Why? Quarreling and fighting? Husband and wife can sleep at night, huh? It's not like Krishna consciousness. Nonsense. Develop. Then children will be there. Even there will be suffering also. Yes. These children have headache, these children have diarrhea, these children have fever. Hey, go to doctor, bring medicine. Why are you sitting here? Huh? The wife will beat you with a broomstick. Why are you sitting? Get out! Go! This is suffering because boy is suffering, girl is suffering. Why are you not going to doctor and bring doctor? Then, where is your Bhadan Baba? Alas. So then running to doctor. Pay doctor's fee. Huh? Yeah, pay doctor fee and medicine, so much thing. Cannot sleep at night. Huh? Baby is suffering, the child is suffering, crying. Passing stool, urine. How can you sleep and smoke? Sleepless night, whole night, sleepless night. Then morning, get up, go to doctor, then I have to go to my office work. What to do? Then I go to office work, I go to doctor, and this and that. No cooking today. Then cook, prepare food. Yeah? Think of Baba, think of what sort of life it is. It's Krishna consciousness. You do that Hare Krishna, bringing what? God, finished, lost for you, God. Before accepting life, you should think it up very seriously. Am I prepared to do all these things and keep my Krishna consciousness? Life is meant for that. Not capable? Dandavat. No marriage, no. No more marriage, no more accepting a lady. Why? You understand? Very difficult.
Can you change your mind?
Very difficult to satisfy a woman. You understand? Easy to satisfy Krishna Baba. Woman Baba. She'll make it right. It's practical. I am a married man. I am speaking from my own experience. Yeah. It's practical, Baba. It's practical. Yeah, it's practical. Not theoretical, but practical. I have faced all these problems in my life. So I have done that. Krishna was so merciful. Nityananda Prabhu is so merciful. Gave me a very good key. Finished. In one key, finished. This side and that side. Nitairo Karuna Hobe. Nitairo Karuna Hobe, brother. Nityananda Prabhu is our mercy. Very heavy kick, then this strong bondage will be cut off. Not easy to cut off this bondage. Durjara Grohasunkha, 10th canto Bhagavad. Durjara Grohasunkha. This Grohasunkha, this family circle. Family circle is very strong circle. Very strong circle. Cannot be cut off, Baba. You follow me? Yes. Unless you get a heavy kick from Nitai, it cannot be broken down. Then cry before Nitai, beg for his mercy, so he'll give a very heavy kick, then it's cut off, finished. This side and that side. No more. Understand? Oh, that's such terrible. such terrible life, hellish life. Yes. She will create hellish situation. Your family life is hellish life. Yeah, no peaceful consciousness. Therefore, marriage is prescribed. To curb this tendency of enjoying sex. Marriage is there. So many responsibility comes. Understand? Then it is said here, 11th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam says, Dad Ghrana Vaksho Vihito Suraya Tatha Pasura Lavama Mahimsa Evam Vivaya Pradayana Rati Imam Visudam Navi Dusuranam. 11th canto, 11th 530. Shastra, Sattvic. In youngsters, Jat Grahana Vaksho Vihito Suraya Tatha Pasura Lavama Mahimsa Evam Vivaya Pradayana Rati Imam Visudam Navi Dusuranam. Shastra says, Vedic literature says, gives this relation to curb the tendency. Do you understand? The tendency of enjoying sex is there, tendency of eating flesh is there, tendency of drinking liquor is there. How to curb? What is said? Your tendency of liquor. You understand? So many liquor shops are there. So many drunkards are going. Spending $1,000, isn't it? To curb this tendency, Shastra says, in certain type of worship like Kali worship of Kali. You understand? There is one worship Kali, some liquor will be offered. Understand? Then, what to do? That's offered to Kali. Then you should only smell that. Smell, not drink. Grana Bhaksha. Vibhala, only smell. Not drink. Shastra says, you should not drink. No, Grana Bhaksha. Jad Grana Bhaksha Vihito Sudaya. Only drink. Thereby, its tendency will come. Then, Jagya Pasubada. Tatha Pasura Lavano Hinsa. You have this tendency to eat the flesh of the animal. So unlessly you cannot kill it and eat the animal, eat the flesh. No. You have no right to give him the life. What right you have to kill him, take his life? Therefore Jagya, Pasubata Jagya is there. Animal sacrifice is there. So invite Vedic Brahmanas, arrange Jagya, so much money required, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars required, pure ghee, you understand, pure gold utensils, you follow? And Brahmanas will come here, Brahmanas they order, Vedic Hyman come correctly, then the animal will get new life. If they cannot order correctly, then it cannot be. So Brahmanas require so many things you have to arrange. Perform a sacrifice, animal sacrifice. So much money, so much money comes, millions of dollars. And in Kali Yuga, all these pure things are not available. No Brahman is there, so it is all forbidden. So how can you kill an animal and eat his flesh? So Veda said, perform this sacrifice, then that body is killed, and that animal got a new body. Now this body, this flesh you eat. If you can do it. If you cannot do it, then you cannot eat flesh. Then it is karma. Then say, Devaya Pradayana, Imam Visudhamam Vidusodhamam. Then Devaya Pradaya. And you have this tendency for sexual enjoyment, so much lust you have, then you have to marry. According to Vedic law, Then what I said, you have to take up all this responsibility. Baba, you have to cry. You cannot sleep at night. All your Krishna consciousness is gone now, Baba.